Hello dear students, how are you? I am Vivek Sharma, your mathematics teacher. Today we will discuss about the consistency and inconsistency of pair of linear equations in chapter number 3. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So in last video we have discussed that what is pair of linear equations in two variables and how to represent our daily life situations in the form of simultaneous equations algebraically and geometrically. Now in this video our motto is to find how to solve these simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so here we will discuss about how to solve these simultaneous linear equations or pair of linear equations in two variables. Now, the solving simultaneous linear equations. There are two methods, graphical methods and algebraic methods. We will discuss about the graphical method of solution of linear pair of equations in two variables. So first of all, we consider the two equations, general equations, that a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, and we know that we have two linear equations and each linear equation in two variables represent a straight line. It means we have two straight lines. When we know that given two straight lines represent in a plane, what type of plane? XY plane, okay, or on a coordinate plane. So there are three possibilities here. The two lines will intersect at one point, two lines will not intersect at one point, or they are parallel, or two lines are coincident lines. In last slide, we have seen from the pair of linear equations which represents two straight lines. When we represent these straight lines geometrically, so we have three conditions. That lines may intersect each other, may be parallel to each other, or maybe coincides. Okay, so when on the basis of it we get three distinct possibilities, we get three distinct different possibilities. First is the if the given pair of straight lines intersect at a unique point, so in that case unique solution exists. It has a unique solution. Graph number first represent that condition. If the given pair of straight lines are parallel to each other, so given pair of equation has a no solution. It means there is no resemblance between the two equations, solution doesn't exist. Graph number 2 represent that condition. If the given pair of straight lines coincides, means representing a one straight line or overlap to each other, so the given pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. Graph number 3 represent that equation. Now from above all these we get three types of solutions graphically. First is the unique solution, second is the no solution, third is the infinitely many solution. Unique solution exists when lines intersect at one point, no solution exists when lines are parallel, and third, infinitely many solution exists when lines are coincides. Now let's discuss about a new topic, consistent and inconsistent pair of linear equations. Now what is the meaning of consistent? Consistent means solution exists. Now when our system of simultaneous linear equations has minimum one solution, means has at least one solution, then we say given system is said to be consistent, or given simultaneous linear equations are consistent, because in that case minimum one solution exists. So on the basis of existence of solution we can divide the consistent equations in two parts: consistent equation with unique solution and consistent equations with infinitely many solution. First of all, here we discuss about consistent equation with unique solution. Now we have discussed about the graph. So here on the basis again we discuss about the consistency of equations. When the graph of two equations intersect each other at a unique point, at one point, So in this case, given pair of equation has a unique solution. Minimum one solution exists, and we say given equation are consistent. What we say, given system are consistent or given equations are consistent. For example, here I am taking two equations, x plus 2y equals to 4, 7x plus 4y equals to 18. When I plot the graph of these two equations on a coordinate plane, so I see that the two lines are intersecting at one point. The point is 2 or 1, which means the graph of these equations intersect each other at the point 2, 1, which means the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So it means only one solution exists, and hence we say the given equations are consistent with unique solutions. Now here we discuss about the consistent equations with infinitely many solutions. As we know that the given pair of linear equations has two straight lines, and when the two straight lines coincides, it means given pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. Now here we are discussing about the consistent equations with infinitely many solutions. So when the graph of two equations means two straight lines are coincides, so in this case given pair of equations has infinitely many solutions, and we say given pair of equations are consistent or has a consistent system. What we say, if the given pair of equations has infinitely many solutions, so we say given pair of equations are consistent or has a consistent system. For clarification, we take example that 2x plus 4y equals to 9 and 3x plus 6y equals to 27 by 2. When we plot the graph of these two equations, so we get a straight line. The two lines coincides each other and representing each other in the form of one straight line. So in that case, the graph of our equations coincides, coordinates of every point on the lines are the solution of the equations, and hence we say that given equations are consistent with infinitely many solutions. So after discussing about the consistent equation with its two types, here we are discussing about the inconsistent equations. What is the mean of inconsistent? Means solution doesn't exist. Solution doesn't exist. So if a system of simultaneous equation has no solution, then the system is said to be inconsistent. Now in that case, we have a type inconsistent equation with no solution. So when the graph of two equations means straight lines of two pair of linear equations represents two straight lines. So when the straight lines are parallel to each other, so given pair of equations has no solution, and we say given pair of equations are inconsistent or has a inconsistent system, means solution doesn't exist. For example, 4x plus 2y equal to 10 and 6x plus 3y equal to 6. I take, and when I plot the graph, so here I get two straight lines which are parallel to each other. When the lines are parallel, it means they will never meet at a point, and when they will never meet at a point, so it means there is no solution. And when the solution doesn't exist or there is no solution, it means given equations are inconsistent. Given equations are inconsistent. So after discussing about the consistent and inconsistent equations, if we compare the coefficient of two equations, we get conditions which help us directly to find the consistency and inconsistency of given pair of equations. Here we have a table for consistency and inconsistency of a given pair of equations. Now let's come on this table and try to find these conditions. When a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, when this condition exists, so graphically the given pair of equations has intersecting lines, and algebraically only one solution exists or exactly one solution, it means unique solution, and given system has a consistent system, and given pair of system has a consistent system. For example, if we take two equations, 3x plus 4y equals to 4, 2x plus 3y equals to 5, when this condition satisfies, when 3y2 is not equal to 4 by 3, so directly we can say that these two equations has only one solution, which means unique solution, and these has consistent system, and graphically if we tell about it, so these equations has a intersecting lines on the basis of that condition. Now let's come on condition number 2. When a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. When this condition satisfies, so graphically we can say that given pair of equation has coincident lines or coincides, or lines are coincides. And algebraic interpretation, that we can say that given pair of equation has infinite solution and it has a consistent system, and it has a consistent system. For example, 2x plus 4y equal to 3, 4x plus 8y equal to 6. We have these two equations. Now when we compare their coefficients, so we see that it all are equal. So given pair of equations has coincident lines, and it has a infinite solution, and it has a consistent system. Now if the condition number 3, when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, both are equal, but both are not equal to c1 by c2. When a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, when this condition exists, so given pair of equation has a parallel lines, and in that case solution doesn't exist, means no solution, and in that case system is inconsistent, and system is inconsistent, or we say given pair of equation has a inconsistent system. For example, 3x plus 5y equal to 6, 6x plus 10y equal to 6. We take these two equations, and when we compare, so we see that on solving that these are not equal. Okay, that 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 is not, but 1 by 2 both are not equal to 1. So it means that these equations has a parallel lines and has no solution, and it has inconsistent system. I hope you have understood this table, and this table helps you to understand the concept of the consistent and inconsistent equations with their conditions. So try to learn and remember this table in your mind, and please do some questions of previous exercises which you have read in your previous video. I have uploaded some PDF with notes in the description box which you will get in your YouTube video. Okay,